Want to create a powerful AI chatbot for your website without writing a single line of code? In this quick 2025 guide, I'll show you exactly how to build and set up an AI chatbot in HubSpot within minutes. Whether you're aiming to boost customer support or capture more leads, by the end of this tutorial, you'll have a fully functional chatbot live on your site. Let's get started. Access HubSpot. First, head over to the HubSpot homepage, log into your existing account, or if you're new, sign up for a free one. It only takes a minute. Once you're in, you'll land on your main dashboard, locate automation tools. From your dashboard, navigate to the Automations tab. Here, select Chat Flows. This is where HubSpot lets you create and manage all your chatbots. It's designed to make the process simple, even if you've never built a bot before. Create a new chat flow. Now, click on the Create Chat Flow button. For this tutorial, select Website as the location. This ensures your chatbot appears right on your business's website. Hit Next to configure your chatbot settings. This is where the magic happens. HubSpot will guide you through key setup steps. Appearance: match the design to your brand colors and style. Availability: decide when the chatbot should be active 24/7 or during business hours. Automated responses: set up greetings, FAQs, or lead capture questions. Keep it conversational and in line with your brand's voice. The more natural it feels, the more your visitors will engage. Launch your chatbot. Once everything looks good, click Create, and that's it. Your AI chatbot is now live and ready to greet your visitors, answer their questions, and even capture leads automatically. And there you have it. In just a few minutes, you've built and launched an AI-powered chatbot in HubSpot. No coding, no headaches. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. Ready to take it a step further? Explore advanced automations to make your bot even smarter. Thanks for watching.